guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making two types of Vada Pav chutney, which is going to be perfect with all the ingredients. Firstly, I am taking peanuts, coconut which is crushed or grated, red chili powder, chili flakes and 10 garlic pieces. Heat the pan on medium. After that you should do on slow. We are adding chili flakes so that it gets soft and you are able to bind them. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now we are adding garlic pieces until it loses its moisture and the oil comes out. Till then you have to keep on flame. Keep turning upside down at intervals. Now beside that I am adding coconut which is grated. We will cook it until the color changes of the coconut, like light brown. I am also adding peanuts to roast them. So everything is being cooked together. You can see the garlic is changing. The oil is visible. Coconut is almost ready. Mix them all. Now off the flame and let it get cool. You can also add chili flakes to make them hot together. Now I will take out in a plate to cool down. That is how we are going to grind them after it is cooled. First I am grinding chili flakes. Once it is completely cool, after that you have to grind it. After the chili flakes is grinded, you have to add all the ingredients together. In this way you have to make the chutney, the dry chutney. We are not adding oil because already the peanuts will turn into oil. That greasy form will come. Now this is the quantity you have to grind them. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt or half and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder according to your wish. You can mix them and also grind them. Now to make the green chutney or coriander chutney, you need green chilies 6 to 7, lemon, coriander leaves, 4 garlic pieces, mint leaves which are washed. Now we are grinding green chili, then garlic. We will add mint leaves. All the ingredients will be added inside. If you want to make them in big quantity, then you have to double up the ingredients. This is in a small quantity. Now once it is grinded, we will add salt, half tablespoon. After that I have squeezed 1 lemon and add the liquid. Now grind it. Finally, the green chutney is ready to serve. You can use this chutney for 2 days, not more than that. make fresh one whenever you want to have with vada pav. Dry chutney is suitable to have for 1 month. You can store in airtight container. These two chutneys are very easy to make and quick enough. I hope you like this video, and also thank you for watching. Stay connected for more videos.